So before you start it, it's always best to unplug the battery. You can also unplug the positive, and you're ready to start on the job. So what you want to do is take up this bolt, 10 millimeter. I've noticed that once I changed those two, they were fine for me, but once I started changing this one, this piece was in the way, so you might have to remove this piece. There's a nut that goes right here. It's also 10 millimeter. Take this nut off. Then also there's 10 millimeter bolt. It's right in here. Take that off, and this is loose now. That way you'll be able to take this off, because for this one it was in the way, so I had to loosen this up to take this up. But I'm done those three, so I'm just gonna show you this last one, how to do it. So yeah, remove this bolt, 10 millimeter, a nut 10 millimeter, and one more bolt here to loosen this, and then this is supposed to just wiggle it. It's supposed to come off, but before that, make sure you unplug this. Unplug this. All you do is just either press it and it comes off, or use a flathead screwdriver, and then there you go. I've noticed for mine, I'm just using a 16 millimeter, and then I don't have a magnet or the rubber piece to pick it up, so I use something else to pick it up. Usually if you have a rubber piece or a magnet, the spark plug is supposed to come up with this, but mine doesn't have anything inside, so I'm just using it like a little magnet. And there you go. And that's the old one. So for mine, I bought the NGK BKR 5EIX-115464. That's what they look like, new ones. So to put it back in, so once you got the spark plug in there, just hand tight, look it up what's the torque supposed to be. Once these all tighten, make sure those are clicked in. I would have changed those three. I just shows how to do one, but the rest same thing. Now I'm gonna put a bolt inside here. once you're done with them, what you want to do is put the cover on. Same way how you took it off. Line it up, put the clips in here. I'm missing one. After done, this is it. I'm done. And if you unplug your battery, plug in your battery, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.